We don't see things as they are. We see things as we are. This is one of my favorite quotes by novelist Aeneas Nin. It so eloquently states a Kemetic truth. It's you that determine what you believe is your reality. The Bible said the same thing in another way. As a man thinketh, so is he. You create your reality based on your beliefs about what you think reality is. This is a powerful truth that the average person never considers because of our regularly scheduled programming from church, school, and television. They tune your consciousness into a frequency that makes you believe you are powerless in the face of reality. You never realize your power. This might sound crazy to you because you're so trapped into the programming. But this quote is saying that you create reality. Because they understood some very deep metaphysical principles, the ancient Africans would say that this reality is an illusion. That doesn't mean your experience of it is not real. It does mean that you have more power to overcome it than you've been programmed to believe. When you allow what you call in modern times the matrix to dictate your state of being, you've accepted the programming. That's because your senses create the reality you experience. Most people think reality is happening to us, but the truth is we create it. Beyond our physical body, there is no such thing as linear time or space. Our senses create those phenomena. That may seem weird and unbelievable to you, especially from a materialist worldview. But most spiritual systems have stated this idea in different ways for thousands of years. The ancients would state that our physical ego is the symbolic reflection of our soul's personality. It would be the opposition of the mind to the soul that creates our physical experience. Again, it's not your fault that you've been programmed. Truly, there is no fault because you're not a victim. It's part of the game that we're playing as gods and goddesses in training on this plane of existence. We purposely forget who we are so that we may learn to rise above our circumstances and exercise our godlike abilities to create something different out of the ashes of our lives. It's analogous to being a superhero that has to learn how to use their powers. So what do you see in your life? What do you think about your life? Life is being reflected back to you as a training simulation for you as a soul, which is the true superhero. Does that sound crazy? I know it can. But the truth is, you've been programmed to think reality is independent of you, that it's happening to you. But as a god or goddess in training, you have to learn that it's your beliefs about reality that you see being reflected back to you as your training simulation. You're only seeing things as you've been taught to believe they are. Are you going to accept the programming and fail? Or will you rise from your slumber into your goddesshood and become a full-fledged superhero and conqueror? You have the power to choose your destiny. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone that would be expanded and uplifted by it.